So, here's my little story about theater. I was a freshman in college. I had done it in high school and loved it, but the program there wasn't very good, so I never got to really immerse myself in it like I had hoped I would be able to when I went to high school. But when I was a freshman in college, we were doing Godspell, and they said I could do the harder job of stage management or the lesser job of props master, and for reasons I still can't explain, I chose stage manager, but I had a great time doing it. And the real story is when I fell absolutely in love with theater and thought, I must do this. I was simply standing in a dark theater with only the ghost light to light the stage, and I was looking out at the empty audience thinking they would come and enjoy the play we were going to be doing because we were working so hard on it, and I was so proud of the work everybody was doing and to get to be a part of it. And I imagined how it was going to be with the lights and the sound and everything combined, and I was just in awe of the magic of theater, and I thought, I must continue to do this. And so I then went on to get the rather improbable undergraduate degree of theater, but that's a whole other story, and the one I wanted to share is now done, so thanks for listening.